How to send group messages on Twitter. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. If you don't know, in Twitter you can send a single message to multiple people as a group. So if you have some followers that you want to send them a post or something, you can just choose all of them at once and send the message for them all at once as a group. So let's go to Twitter and open it. Let's search for it and open Twitter. Here it's opening, and here is Twitter. And then let's go to the DM from here. Let's write a message by clicking on write a message, or by clicking on the plus icon here. Now when this pop-up appears for you, or this window appears for you, which is new message window, here type the usernames that you want to send the message to. Let's choose this and add another one. Now as you can see, we added some usernames here, and we can add as long or as much as we can and just send them one message. Let's say hi, and when we click on the send button, now this message is sent to all of this group. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.